Since we were young and we can't stop, wow. If we tried to fight crime right now, I don't think that we could work it out in the front lawn. Thinking about the world and our small town. Could I let you fight by yourself while I'm searching for something else? If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything.
Welcome guys to a brand new jailbreak Roblox video again. You guys have seen this before, I'm pretty sure, right? Right, Mr. Friend? Well, Mr. Secret Agent?
Yeah. Well, you do know that I'm your bodyguard, right?
Yeah. You like my new car? You like my new car? You like my car right here?
Yeah. Do you like my car? Look, I've even got a key card for us.
Yeah.
I'm your agent.
All right. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna just
Okay. I'm thinking we try to get the highest boundary. Like we get a $20,000 boundary or something like that.
All right, guys. Just to let you know, there are VIP servers that you have to buy with Roblox.
Which
costing a lot of money. What we're gonna do is, I think, is the bank open, Mr. Owner of this?
Well, since my boss has, since I have it, well, it hasn't came up. It's a ton of train trucks coming into the map.
All right. You
wait,
said...
I have to stay right next to you since I'm your agent.
Wait.
Well, I'm your bodyguard. I'm your bodyguard.
You have to stay behind me. Agent. Yeah, you're my bodyguard. You have to stay behind me.
You just drive. I'll be right behind you.
Oh yeah, you get a fast car. Yeah, today we're playing jailbreak on Roblox, VIP server. Today we're gonna try to get the highest bounty to make your life easier in jailbreak to get all the cars. There will be episodes though. There will be episodes. We got a stop sign coming up, so. Just waiting for him. The bank is open now, so.
It never popped up on my screen.
It probably did.
I'm the agent. I'll open the doors for you.
Remember, alright, agent, I want you to hang back from this.
Okay. Wait, what?
I want you to hang back until I get the bomb blown.
Okay.
So right now, we're robbing the bank. If you guys don't realize the bank, you have to go underground, go through all the lasers. It is crazy. Isn't it, my spy? My agent? Alright, you better get out of there before you get trapped.
Yes, it is.
Alright, right now, we're gonna get, and see how high this thing can go. We're gonna see how this, so this will go up to 1 million. So
wait,
we're gonna go up to 1 million.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000. It goes up to $1,000. Okay, we have reached that.
I'll be there in a second. I still gotta collect 3,000.
My bodyguard, my guy back there's got to collect 3,000. I'm low on health. But next we're gonna be going robbing the jewelry store. Are you coming? You got your 3,000 yet? Alright, here we go. 3,000 bounty, that's what you got. My bodyguard's got a 3,000 bounty.
This is couch. I've got a $100 boundary.
Yeah, I do know.
Let me see.
Over here, our cars are in front.
I don't know your boundary. What's your boundary? It's at the bottom left, right above your map.
It is, mine's behind it. 100. Like 100.
Mine's 100 too. Got this.
So we're gonna rob this thing right here. Look at that. He's like a secret agent. Oh no, I'm not in. Okay, now you can check my shit. Sorry guys about the coughing. I'm kind of sick, right? Everyone gets sick in the wintertime, don't they? I gotta get my 2,000. I'm gonna try to reach that goal today. I actually reached that goal before you tried to.
Have you collected anything?
Alright, I got my 2,000.
Wait, you need one more.
No, I got my 2,000. I got what I need. 200 is what my goal is right now.
Yeah, come here. Well, you need to get 2,500. So come here.
No, it's so the higher my thing will go.
Wait, your high boundary can go up to 2,500.
Yeah,
Wait,
but
over here. Flush this. Flush this. Look, flush this. Or that. Let's go.
yeah,
Wait, flush that.
it still says 200.
Let's go.
So. Alright, you do gotta watch for these red things. They are dangerous. They will kill you. This government on this game is getting real secure this time.
Wait.
Yeah, I died, so.
Your boundary is reset. I'll pick you up.
Well, I got my shot. Oh no, you're my security good. Okay. I'll grab my pistol.
What base are you at?
I'm in the
What
city.
kind of base? Are you underground or in the city?
City.
The city? Okay. I'll be there in a second.
Up high.
Get in.
My car's back here. That's not okay. Where'd it go?
I got 180 boundary.
Alright,
Let's go to, remember, museum?
yeah, museum next.
Wrong way. Wrong way.
I know.
You're going the wrong way.
I know this, but there's a
I'm
road.
facing it.
But there's a road down here that I can.
Where are you?
I'm heading up there right now. Are you
Where
up?
did you go? I'll see you there.
Are you up there right now?
I'll see you there.
Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fly, fly, fly. Oh. Oh, we try to get this thing to fly. We try to get the Camaro to fly, but she cannot fly.
Okay, I'm here. Well,
So they are doing an upgrade on this jailbreak. They have a tunnel right over there. It's 2 monster trucks with medals in it. Yeah, I can see if you can see on the little mini map, he's just not showing up. I'm waiting for him to come. There he is. He just flipped the vehicle. Where in the heck did you go? So, I guess he bounced back onto the second row?
Yeah. You know what we should do for the next video? We should play some hide and seek.
Yeah, guys, next video, well, guys, yes, every week there'll be an episode of Jailbreak. So keeping up on that. We'll be robbing every single one of these. Every video, we're going to rob every single one of these. Train, donut shop, gas station, everything. You want to come on up here? If you guys...
Okay, so it's once a week? I thought you were going to do it like every day.
Two a week.
Okay.
2 jailbreak videos a week, so like a school week. If you guys are in school,
I'm here. Where are you?
I'm at the top. Let me know when you guys are ready to see another jailbreak video. I will get one as soon as I can. Alright, right now I am gonna jump down in 3, 2, 1, now. Did you break it? Okay, go. Okay, I'll get the, this one, and this. Alright, my bag is full. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 up. Jump, just jump for it. I jump for it. Go the lasers, go the lasers.
Well, I have to keep on collecting.
Yep, collect. Alright, see, as you can see, someone has already, you touched the thing, okay. Yeah, he has touched the thing. Apparently I cannot rob that. Are you ready? Alright, that is a sign that he is ready. Alright, I'm gonna go down and get my car. I think I'll just ride with you. Take me down to my cars. Yes, thank you. Alright, he took me down to my car. If it's down here. I know it was down here somewhere. It was down here. Oh, I might just have to get a ride from him. And he's going down the mountain. Alright, let's go. Speed boost down off this mountain.
Well, I'm saving mine. There's a video that I want to do with it.
Alright, guys. Next, when he gets all his video, speed boost up, he's gonna let me know when he gets a speed boost up, and we will do a video of him flying across Jailbreak's world. Is that the video you're gonna be doing on it?
What?
What are you gonna plan on doing on that video?
Oh, let's just say the viewers would have to look forward to that.
Alright, you're gonna have to look forward to that, ladies and gents. Before we start the video, we think what we're about to say and what we're gonna do. Isn't that right, Hawk? And Hawk, I don't think I got my money. No, you have to go to the underground one. Sis, we're heading to the underground one right now. So far, we are doing so good. Alright, I'm gonna tell you all the things that you can rob. You can rob, like, the bank, is, what we just passed, the jewelry store, the train, the gas station, the green gas station where you go get the truck, and the donut shop. That's all the places that you can rob. In this game you get to, how about you just jump that ramp right there? Yes.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Well,
Yeah, anyways, as soon as we drop our money off, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Before you end that, the bank is open. You want to rob that really fast?
Actually, I better end this now because in about 15 minutes it ends. And it takes forever. Alright, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see another video of me and him doing this again. I know I'm going to do 2 Roblox videos a week. Yeah, this will be sometime tomorrow when this probably gets set out. Or today, yeah, it'll be set out today, but tomorrow you guys will probably be sent out to watch it. So if you guys wanna play with me and him, right, Hawk?
Well,
Here's it. If you guys want to play with me,